So these are the books they have given for PCM, that's for JEE coaching. So let's keep this aside and let me start with this. They have given 2 books for in the name of success achiever, and then 1, 2, 3 books from 2023, that is part 1 success magnet, and 3 books in the name part 2 success magnet of 2022. These all books are for JEE advanced. These are those books, and here are 3 books which are for rapid revision and formula bank. This will be very useful in the time of last revision. And here are some model test papers for half yearly. This is for final exams for class 11th, and 2 books for in the name of ECAT for JEE mains and advanced, that is classroom assessment practice sheets. These are practice sheets available for physics, chemistry, math. And this is an orientation book for bridging class 10 to class 11. I have started working on this book. And here are some books like KVPY exams or scholarship exams, and national standard examinations and Olympiad exams. Here are those 3 books. So you have seen this section now. So these 3 sections are for completely academic, regular academic books. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So these are for class 11 physics, chemistry, maths, and class 12 physics, chemistry, and maths. So for class 11, physics has been divided into 6 targets, that is 6 parts. First one has physical world, units and measurement. I think they have combined the first 2 lessons into one lesson. Level 1 and level 2 are available, which is for I think JEE mains and advanced. I don't know clearly. Similarly, 6 targets have been given for physics class 11. Similarly for class 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Little bit some books are damaged, papers are not damaged, so it's not a problem. And chemistry, the same. Target 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, till 6. And for maths, the same. Target 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the covers of these books are really attractive and colorful. See these colors, interesting to see them. And similarly for class 12, target 1, target 2, target 3, target 4, target 5 and target 6. For all these subjects in chemistry, maths, each has 6 target books, which has portions divided equally in them. So these are all the books given to me. Totally there are like 55 books in the total list for both the class 11 and 12 for complete board, JEE main and JEE advanced preparation. These also contain KVPY exam and Olympiad books. So that's it.